Oh yeah, it's very salty. Okay. End of recipe. What are we making today?
Pork.
Pork.
What's it called? What's the word?
We are making Buzhenina. It's basically roast pork in the oven that after you roast it.
Before you roast
so
it.
before you roast it, you
marinate.
The idea is you roast it and you can eat it hot. You also can eat it cold like a sandwich. So what is this?
I don't know.
That's we're mixing spices.
Don't give away our secrets.
Oh, okay.
We don't know if it's good yet. I think it looks really
Well, we're not gonna post it if it's not good.
It looks nice. What is this? This is mustard seeds, sugar, molasses, salt, black pepper, and parsley.
Salt, pepper. How much pepper? Salt and pepper.
End of the knife. I may have put a little too much salt. I don't know.
Too much salt.
It's all gonna get spread out though.
You gotta take. Oh yeah, it's very salty. Okay. End of recipe.
Good. I think that's okay. In order to get the nice spiral, what I'm thinking is, should we slice it this way, butterfly it open, and then roll it into a spiral? Because we can't roll this. We can't tie it. We can't even fold it in half right now.
No.
No. You can't. All you can do is cook it flat side out. So grab me the chef's knife. Should have sharpened that knife.
Which knife?
Your knife.
My knife.
I need your knife.
My knife. So here.
Okay. There's our butterfly. So now in theory, what we're going to do is we're going to roll it. God, that's stiff meat. Yeah. We're going to roll it like this.
Uh-huh.
And we're going to tie it with the twine.
Yep.
Now we have the spiral. And we're going to stuff our seasoning inside and maybe into these. This part really reminds me of salmon. The way the fat is layered through.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, the garlic goes like in the cuts.
You gotta follow the
in
fat
the
lines.
cuts.
Yeah, you gotta follow the fat lines.
In the cuts over
in the
here.
little veins and things. So. Alright, we're gonna roll it?
Yep.
You gotta get ready with the scissors. Once we roll it, we're gonna do twine.
Oh.
This ain't gonna stay by itself. You know?
It's not going anywhere.
No, but you want it to stay together. This is a boneless tenderloin, or boneless loin. I don't think it's a tenderloin technically, but it's got some fat here that we can kind of. I also got to be careful not to cut the twine that I just right on the seam. And if you have a nice sharp knife, see, my fear is I don't trust this knife, but you push right along. It is, because if I hold it like this, the knife can slip out on me.
Gosh.
But you see how far I got? Now I can push all the way in and you just start shoving it in.
She's sniffing.
She's making them smell like her. She says, these don't smell like me. I must make them smell like me. Alright, and if you get lazy...
Hi.
Put it in there and put the cover on.
We left the meat to marinate overnight in the fridge. You can also marinate it the same day for at least 2 hours. We cooked the meat uncovered. The recipes though recommend using oven bag or foil. Boom.
Oh, do you want to put the yellow mustard on top?
Oh yeah, we forgot the yellow mustard. Yeah. I guess we're doing yellow mustard first. Oh, you have to rub it around.
I do not.
Are we just doing that?
I'm just gonna... I'll rub it later if I need to. For now, I'm just gonna do that. We'll see what happens.
It's like fish in the mushrooms. They always look good in the store or in a jar. They look good in a jar. Like, these are so pretty. Look. This was our first try of cooking Buzhenina. It came out somewhat dry, so we'll have to try it again, as Buzhenina is very juicy and flavorful dish when cooked right.
We've had stuff like that. Okay, I'm going inside.
Fog. Happy New Year.
I'm empty. It's time to go back inside. Yeah, this fog is crazy.